Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to make a healthy snack today. I got to start making more healthy stuff. So today we're going to make a healthy snack with some nectarines. Don't they look delicious? I love these. That's one of my favorite fruits, you guys. And then we're going to use some tahini seasoning on it also. Okay, you guys? And we're going to use some cottage cheese. Okay, and this is all the ingredients you're gonna need for this healthy snack that I'm about to make, you guys. So come on, come cook with me. Oh, well, we're not cooking. Okay, you guys, let's go. Let's make this. Okay, so we're gonna move everything to the side, okay? And we're gonna start with the nectarines, you guys, okay? We're gonna slice those up. And I'm gonna keep the peel on. I like to eat the peel on mine also. Get all that nutrition. Okay? Okay, so I'm done chopping them, you guys. That was fast, huh? All right, so we're gonna put these nectarines in a bowl, okay? And then we're gonna get a plate and we're gonna make this snack, you guys. All right, so I'm grabbing my cottage cheese and my plate. Get everything situated here. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my cottage cheese, you guys, and this is the cottage cheese that I'm using, okay? And it tastes good to me. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in the plate, you guys. And if you haven't tried your cottage cheese with the way that I'm gonna make this, you guys, you should try it. It's good. It's a good healthy snack, so you don't feel guilty for eating it. So hold on just a minute. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna put that cottage cheese in there. You can put as little or as much as you want. I think I'm gonna get 2 scoops of it. So I'm kind of hungry, but I want a healthy snack. Okay, and then I'm gonna add all my nectarines on there. Oh, I love these. Don't that look? It just looks delicious. Just looking at it, looks tasty, huh? Those 2 colors together just makes it look so delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my tahini seasoning and I'm gonna sprinkle that all over this snack, you guys. Don't knock it until you try it. It's so good. Just try it. Even if you don't like cottage cheese, you guys just put a little tinge in your plate and try it with this tahini sauce. It's so good. And I like a lot, so I'm putting a lot on mine. Plus, I like to see the color. You see that? Ooh, that looks good. And there you have it. And there you have it. You have a healthy snack. You have your nectarines and your cottage cheese, and then I sprinkle some tahini seasoning all over. And you can get these little smaller packs too, you guys. They're really cute, huh? So there you have it, you guys. You have a healthy snacks. So if you're looking to make a healthy snack, here's one for you. And there you have it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. I got a lot of recipes coming very soon. Okay, you guys? So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. And guys, make sure that you check out my playlist, okay? Check out my Cook Like a Pro playlist, and you can see all the recipes that I have on my show, okay? And then you can check out my Weltha's Shorts videos, okay? And you can see all my Shorts videos that I have made on this show also. So go check those playlists out and have a good day. Thanks for watching.